Hello friends, how are you all doing? So we continue with exercise 5D. First question, 10th part. We have to solve the quadratic equation using the formula method. This is the equation. So as you can see, this is not in the standard form of the quadratic equation, is it? No. You can't even see if there is an x square term also. In fact, the x terms are all in the denominator. So clearly we have to bring it to the quadratic equation standard form. So how do we do that? We have to first take LCM on the left hand side. So let us do that. So we will get this way equal to 5 upon 2x plus 3. So now what we do, we'll do cross multiplication. We get 4 minus 3x multiplied by 2x plus 3 equal to 5x. Bring it to the other side. Open the brackets. 8x plus 12 minus 6x square minus 9x. So bring all the terms to one side. So is there any x square term? There is no x square term. So we'll keep it as it is. 8x minus 9x is minus x. I'll bring this 5 here. So I'll get minus 5x plus 12. So it reduces this way. Now what I'll do for convenience, I'll take out minus 6 common. Minus 2. Okay, so what will happen? I will get the quadratic equation this way. Now, since you have to use the formula method, we have to write the statement comparing given equation with this equation. What is my value of A? 1, B is 1, C is minus 2. Now the formula. This is the formula. I hope you know this. So let us substitute minus 1. B square is 1. 4 into 1 into minus 2 upon 2. So this is nothing but minus 4 into minus 2. It is plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9 upon 2. So friends, what is root of 9? 3. So minus 1 plus or minus 3 divided by 2. That implies x is, there are two possibilities, either this or this, correct? So what is x? 3 minus 1, 2 divided by 2, 1. Okay, x is equal to 1, or x is how much? Minus 4 divided by 2, which is minus 2. So these are the two possible values of x. Now the 11th question is 2x plus 3 upon x plus 3 equal to x plus 4 upon x plus 2. So this equation is also not in the standard form. So let us bring it to the standard form. How do we do that? Let's cross multiply this way. So open the brackets. Square plus 4x. This is x square. Okay. So as you can see, there are going to be terms on both the sides, is it not? So let us bring all the terms to one side. Now if you see here, I can see 4x here and here. So I can cancel that. There is a 3x here and here, so I can cancel that. I don't think I can cancel any other term. So let us bring everything to one side. So I'll get 2x square minus x square plus 6 minus 12 equal to 0. So x square minus 6 is equal to 0. So friends, now it is in the standard quadratic equation form. So we'll write comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now what is the value of a? A is 1. Now is there any x term over here? There is no x term. So my b is 0. Okay. And what about c? Minus 6. So let us now write the formula. This is b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is, b is 0. So I'll keep it as it is. Okay, or I'll write 0 for the time being. This is also 0 minus 4 into 1 into minus 6c and 2 into 1. Okay. So what will happen now? Plus or minus square root of 0. Now minus and minus is plus. So 24 divided by 2. So let's see about 24. 24 is nothing but 12 2s are 24. This is 2 6s are. And this is 2 3s are, right? So how many 2s am I getting? 1, 2, 3. And 1, 3 I have. So let's see what to do. Plus or minus, I can write 4 6 are. I think that will be fine. Divided by 2. Okay, why am I taking this combination 4 into 6? Because then I can write that root of 4 is 2. Correct? So I will write that. Okay. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled in the numerator denominator. So I will end up with plus or minus root 6. So I can also write this as x is root 6 or x is minus root 6. So this is the final answer. It's root 6 x square minus 4x minus 2 root 6 equal to 0. So let's first check if it is in the standard form. Yes, it is in the standard form of quadratic equation. So comparing above equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to root 6, b equal to minus 4 and c is this. Okay, so let's write the formula. So this is the formula. Minus b is 4 into minus 2 root 6 divided by a is root 6 over here. Okay. So x is 4. So plus or minus. Now in the square root we'll get 16. Minus and minus will be plus. Now root 6 and root 6 will be 6. So 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 root 6. 4 6 are 24, 24 2s are 48. So when you're doing this simplification, friends, be very careful. So now we get, this will give you 64 divided by 2 root 6. And you know root of 64 is nothing but 8. So there are two options here. Either it will be 4 plus 8 upon 2 root 6 or 4 minus 8 upon 2 root 6. So the value of x is nothing but 4 plus 8 is 12 upon 2 root 6 or x is equal to, so these are the two possible values. Now what we do is we don't want a root in the denominator. So we have to eliminate that, friends. So 12 divided by 2 is, I can write it as 6. Now this root 6, what I do, I multiply and divide by root 6 for both the values. Okay, so here I'll get minus 2 root 6 upon root 6. So what is the aim of doing this? To eliminate a root value in the denominator. Get 6 root 6 upon 6, or I will get this way. So here what happens, the 6 will get cancelled. Here 3 will be remaining. So x will be root 6 or x will be minus root 6 upon 3. So these are the two values of x. root 6 or minus root 6 upon 3. This is the 13th question, friends. So let's start by bringing the equation to the standard form. What should we take? We should take the LCM on the left hand side first. So this is what we get. Okay. Now slowly, carefully open the brackets. Minus 6x plus, got a bracket here, so you'll get 2x square minus 8x minus 5x plus 20 completely divided by, you can open these brackets also, you will get x square this way equal to 25 by 3. Now what is the next step? Let's try to simplify the numerator, is it not? So what can I combine? 2x square, 4x square, minus 6, minus 8, minus 5. So I will get 19x, and here is plus 20 divided by. So what is the next step, you tell me? Yes, you have to again cross multiply. So I'll get 3. So let me do it directly. So I'll get 12x square minus 57x plus 60 equal to, I'll bring here 25x square minus 25 into 7. So I'll get 175 plus, this will be 25 12s are, that will be 300, correct? So this is the equation. So now our next step is we have to bring all the terms to one side. So I'll bring all the terms to the left hand side, okay? So I'll get 12x square minus 25x square. This 57. Friends, as you can see, I have completely forgotten to put a x term here next to 175. So when you are doing, please don't do that mistake. Be careful. So I'll bring it over here. 175x minus 300 plus 60 is equal to 0. So now 12x square minus 25. So we can reduce it this way. 175 and 57, that will give me 118x minus, this will be 240 equal to 0. So let us make this term as plus. So we'll get 13x square. So when this becomes plus, this will become minus plus 240. So this is the quadratic equation. Now we cannot further reduce this quadratic equation. We cannot cancel any common terms. So that's all. Now we have to compare it with this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What we get? So what do we get? The values of a, b and c. A will be 13. B will be minus 118, C is 240. So now let's substitute this in the formula. X is minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC upon 2A. I'm sure now you're thorough with this formula. 118 plus or minus 118 square. These are some real big numbers here. Is it not? So friends, you have to do a little bit of careful calculation. Don't make any mistakes. So 118 plus or minus. Now the square of 118 is 13924 minus 4 into 13 into 240. This all together is 12480. So when you are doing, be very careful. Divided by 26. So now let us go to the next page. So this, when I subtract, I will get 1,444, okay, upon 26. Now 1,444, the square root is 38. So how do you get that? I'm sure you must have learned how to find the square root using the division method. That is how you have to find the square root. So if you want, I'll just show you. Okay, so what do? This is how you have to do. 3 3s are 9. You'll get 5, 44. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now 6 8s are exactly, it is coming 544. So 68 8s are is 544. So that's how you get the square root of 1444 as 38. Because even if they give you the square root table, it will be only from 10 to 100. So you need to know, friends, how to calculate the square root of big numbers using this formula. I'm sorry, this square root need not be there because you already found it out. So what are the two values? This is one value or this is one value. So that means x is, friends, 118 plus 38, 156 upon 26, or x is 80 upon 26. Now just check, friends, whether it is completely divisible. Now in this case what happens, it will go completely in 26 table, I think. 26 6 are 156. So you'll get x equal to 6, or here you will be able to reduce it till, I think, in 2's table it will go, is it not? So you'll get 40 by 13. So therefore this is the solution set, x is equal to 6 or x equal to 40 upon 13. Now if you want, you can write this as a mixed fraction. So you can write it as x is equal to 3 1 upon 13. This is the solution set. So as you can see, this is also not in the standard form of the quadratic equation. So what do we have to do? We have to take the LCM and we have to do simplification. So let us do that. So the numerator will become something like this. Okay. 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9 plus 1 is 10. So now let's open up the brackets. So you get minus 2x minus 3x plus 6, is it not? Divided by x square minus 4x plus 8 divided by 10 by 3. Now what do we do next? You know it very well. Combine all the like terms, you will get what? 2x square. This is minus 5x minus 5x. So I'll get minus 10x. That's nice. Oh, this is also plus 10 upon x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 10 upon 3. So now cross multiply. Bring the 3 here. So you'll get 6x square minus 30x plus 30 is equal to 10x square minus 60x plus 80. Now tell me the next step. What do we do next? We have to bring all the terms to one side. Okay. So 6x square minus 10x square minus 30x plus 60x. Okay. Be careful of the signs. Now you'll get minus 4x square plus this will be 30x. This will be minus 50. Now tell me, can we take out any number common? I think you can take 2 common. So I'll get minus 2x square plus 15x minus 25. So now let us take away this negative sign. Let us keep this as positive. So I'll get this way. Correct? What have I done here? I have just multiplied it completely by minus sign. What will happen? The plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Why did I do this? Just for convenience, friends, nothing else. You can keep this equation also as it is, no problem. So comparing this equation with, what is the equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a is equal to how much? 2, b is minus 15 and c is 25. So what is the next step? Write down the formula. Okay, this is our formula. So let us substitute. Minus b will be 15 plus or minus b square is 15 square. 4 into, I think I'm falling short of space. A is going to be 2 into c is 25 divided by 2 into 2, so 4. Okay, so x is 15 plus or minus, this is 225 minus 25 was 100, 100 into 2, 200. Okay, divided by 4. So my x is, this is 15. Okay, now I'll get root of 25 divided by 4, which is nothing but root of 25 is how much? You all know that it's 5. So now let's see what will our answer be. So it will be 15 plus 5 divided by 4, or 15 minus 5 divided by 4, which is nothing but 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 divided by 4 is 5. So x is 5, or x is 10 upon 4, which is nothing but 5 upon 2. So I can write that this is my solution set.